Welcome back to the channel. Whew. It's already hot. We've got a lot of work to do. Like I said in our last video, we've got to do the struts, get the nose on. We got to make a couple brackets for the rear hood pins, and we need to get our tag light installed. That is the main thing. And then if we got time to do anything else, that'd be great. But we're we're kind of under the gun time-wise. I don't think we'll have any real time to work on it on the day of test and tune. So we got to make hay right now. So let me get the front wheels off, start getting this thing jacked up, and start changing struts. Got the rad in, got the just got a zip tie. We'll make some brackets when we get some more time. And we got to get gotta scrounge up a relay and wire it in, and then we start on the struts. It's hot out here. We got a relay, getting it wired in. I got to get me one of those. I got to sink me a couple poles in the ground and get me one of them sun killer tarps, or just like some netting, just to knock the edge off of it. Man, yeesh. All right. We got a fan, and we got a radiator in. Put that cap, pull it up, burp it, boom. We got one strut changed. I'm gonna go in and get some lunch real quick and get a drink of water, and then we'll come out and do the other side. Then we can put the nose on, and then we got to make some brackets for the back of the hood, and then blah 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 blah. So making progress. Second strut is changed. Now we got to start doing put the nose and get the headlights and the hood stuff done. And we're getting close. My little helper came out and helped me kind of set it on there. We got to wire the headlights in, and yeah, but it's not going to be an attractive automobile, but it's my automobile. This is literally, I saw in the comments, someone said, oh, Pro Stock, we ever want to see Pro Stock in? This is literally Pro Stock. It's Trojan and Pro Stock had a baby. So this just, this car isn't as rusty. Pro Stock's just got a bunch of rust in it and stuff. This car isn't. This car technically didn't leak. And it might now with the doors, I don't know, but anyway. All right, we got some crooked looking headlights on here. At some point I'm gonna do make some headlight cover things for this car like I did with the FLTD. Anyway, I mean, it looks like garbage, but hey, all my stuff looks like garbage. So we're gonna bolt the nose down, and then we're going to start looking at doing our brackets for our hood, get our hood mounted. So making progress. We gotta hustle up. Hood's mounted, looks like crap. It fits about like I do in some of Teresa's clothes. I mean, of course this hood was always cattywampus anyway. It fit like garbage on the FLTD, but whatever, fits the car. So we still gotta do the two-step stuff. I'm gonna put one little brace in the center, because like I say, this hood's a piece of garbage, but whatever. And then we gotta do tag light. So we got the two-step hooked up. We've still got to do the tag light. So let's start it up and get the radiator done. See where we're at. See if the starter works. God, are you kidding me? Got the water pump drive changed. Now let's see what happens. Probably be started. Not washing the car, but washing the window, at least the rear and front. Fixing to go on a test drive. All right, we were going to go on a test drive. And our test drive basically consists on us going and getting gas. Really the test drive that we wanted. I mean, we had street tires on it anyway, so it's just going to spin or do whatever. But we had a little tiny issue with the fuel filter plugging up. We got that cleaned out, and it was fine since then. So I need to change that filter. It's one of those brass filters. I know everybody freaks out. Probably should get something else, a different element. Anyway, got that done. Seems to drive okay, stops okay, seems to run okay. So we're gonna go to the track. I need to make a slight clutch adjustment when we get to the track. It's got a little flippy in the pedal. Need to tighten that up a little bit. What will it run? We didn't really change anything that's gonna help the performance. The best cars ever ran is a 695 at 98.1. That was in much better weather than we're in right now. I mean, I'm sweaty. It's going to be hot. I know a number that I would like it to run based on the weather. We'll see. Again, we lost a tiny bit of weight considering the hatch situation, all that kind of stuff. So we lost a little bit of weight, but you know. And then we're going to be on a different set of tires, still 26 by 10, but they're on a 8-inch wheel instead of our normal 10-inch wheel. There's little variances there. No, this car doesn't have an anti-roll, no big deal. It's never had one. So, but like I say, you guys tell me what you think it's going to run. It's probably supposed to be, it said it was going to be 86 today, so it's probably 86. Anyway, that's it. You guys figure out what's going to run. We'll go up there and try not break it, make some decent passes. And I guess that's it. We'll see. My head's all messed up this morning. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. Couldn't do it without you. Wouldn't want to, but especially watching. And until next time on Substandard Leader and Fox Body Videos, 1 year, twin turbo, 5-speed, push rod, stick shift, I think stick shift, 5-speeder, same thing. Twin turbo Lincoln Town Cars, 4 drag vans. Proud owner, proprietor, trying to get the doors open of Club Big Boost. And as always, fighting a good fight against zombie Mustangs and that rascal Dr. Fear. Today's one of those days. We'll see you guys in the next video.